The County Mameru, Governor machon ma County Mameru Kawira Mwangaza ogolo duonde kowacho ni obiro neno ni oluoko nyinge kendo obiro romo gi jogo mosebedo ka pinge yiero maduong' mag 2027. Kawira wacho ni jogo osebedo ka kelone midhiero nikech en miyo kendo thiche oko nyaka apisi kowacho ni ratiro mare norochi kaluwore gi chike mathurka. E kindeno bende kweth jotelo mamine mawuok e County ma Nairobi oseothicho oko Governor machon no Kawira Mwangaza koro gikwayo jodak makono mondo sirtelo mar miyo e lemo mar Governor e yiero mabiro.
My impeachment was not based on any legitimate grounds, but was instead politically motivated scheme orchestrated by those who feared my unwavering dedication to the truth and the welfare of the people of Meru. I am firm in my belief that this impeachment was not about accountability, but about perpetuating a culture of male dominance in leadership. To my people of Meru County, I thank you for your unwavering support and belief in my leadership. Your voices matter, and I will continue to fight for the development and the progress of our beloved county. I will not be silenced. I will pursue all legal avenues to clear my name, expose the injustices that have been perpetrated against me.
Sisi kama wamama wa Nairobi ambayo ni viongozi tulikuwa tunaomba watu wa Meru. Tumeona kiti ya Kawira imeenda, mwanaume ndiye amechaguliwa, ndiye alikuwa deputy yake. Sasa tunaomba deputy wa Meru awe mama, because hiyo kiti ilikuwa ni ya mama.